Right, I've got to come back and do these slippers. But I'm just going to show... I want to make a couple of stick pins from the beads yesterday. Yeah, so I think I'll just do that. I might just do 3 blue and 3 pink actually. And I've got my crystals, my smaller ones. I'm only doing 3 of each, so I need some clear ones. Thought and laugh at me then. Let me just pick out the right size crystal. 1, 2. Are those the same? That's not. That is. Nope, that's not. Is that the same as that? Nope. You never get the one you want. Yeah, just 3 of those, that'll do them. Oh, dearie me. So that's that. And I want some of these. One. Right. What I'm going to do is pink one first, put the bead on, put the roundel on, pop that crystal on, pop a roundel on, and pop that bead. Yeah, that'll do. I like them. I'm going to put another roundel on actually, so I'm going to need some more. Like that, like that, like that, and like that. Yeah, I like those. They're quite pretty. I don't want to use bead caps and things like that. You don't have to use them all the time. I'm going to need 3 more of those, aren't I? Oops, not that one. Silly old fee, put your bead on. And then I was going to do the blue one. There was no point in wasting them. There were bracelets, and then you might as well make them into stick pins. Oh, why not? Now, you see, I didn't see that, did I? Because I didn't put that roundel on that one at the end. I have now. Ooh. Right, let's have a look. Last one. And as quick as that, I've got 6 beautiful stick pins. Really, really pretty. So, let's get these done. Glue gun's about ready, I think. Now, what I do is I push them on and twist. There you go. Push them on and twist. So, fair bit there, not too much. Push them on and twist, just to coat the whole thing. And these will be in the shop. Yep. Push on, twist. There you go. Let me just sort my glue gun out before I go mad. Well, I'm definitely going to have to invest in a new one, I think. I mean, I do have to go and get them for the shop anyway, so I will do that. There we go. The thing is, I rotate things in the shop so that you don't get bored. You don't want to be seeing the same old things. And I'm always trying to bugger it. I'm always trying to introduce new items as well. God, I nearly glued my hair then. I'll drop that. Yeah. I'll try and find. I can't wait till we go to Bavaria just so I can see what things I can find for the shop. I want to bring back some Bavarian lace. Can you imagine that? I can. Right, there we go. Look, that's one thing I don't like, is being covered in. I know you can alter it. So look, this is what we've made. Some small flowers. And these beautiful stick pins. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now. Might be another one later.